Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to explore the .com travel guides and recommendations on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the trip.com app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the explore or guide section. This is usually on the main dashboard or bottom navigation bar. Here you can find travel guides, top destinations and recommendations. Now browse travel guides. You will see guides for popular cities, countries and attractions. Tap a guide to read details about top sites, local culture, dining option and transport trips. You can also search for a specific destination. Tap the search bar and type the city, country or attraction you want to explore. Trip.com will show travel guide, tips and recommendations for that location. Next, check recommended itineraries. Some guides include ready-made itineraries for 1 day, 3 day or week-long trips. These help you plan your days efficiently without missing any highlights. You can save your favorite guides or activities. Tap the heart icon or save button to keep them in your profile. This makes it easy to access later when planning your trip. Finally, explore users' reviews and trips. Scroll down in the guide to read recommendations from the traveler, which help you choose the best places and experience. And that's it. By using travel guide and recommendations, you can plan amazing trips, discover hidden gems, and make the most of your travel on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you want this video, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.